The Philippines has a lot of problems. There's corruption in the government, poverty, hunger, and many more. One problem that has plagued the country for a while now is the environmental problems. The country is experiencing tons of environmental problems like deforestation, air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. One of the earliest cause of pollution is the slash and burn agriculture, which was used by the first Filipinos. The slash and burn agriculture method cuts down forests to convert it to a cropland, and the burning of these forests helped contribute a lot of carbon emission, which led to climate change. The next major event that took place, which helped contribute to the environmental problems of the Philippines, is the World War II under the Japanese occupation. When the Americans returned to the country, the Filipino and American forces merged to wipe out the Japanese troops. The Japanese were surrounded and had all their escape routes blocked by the combined forces. What they did was, they tried to cause more damage while they were retreating by burning down buildings and homes. Because of this, it produced a lot of carbon emission, which contributes to climate change and in turn affects the environment and the people. The environmental woes did not end after the war. It continued to worsen as the effects of the pollution from the war has not yet settled. Due to the war, poverty became rampant, causing a lot of people to starve. The environment was greatly damaged inadvertently due to the weapons that were used. Because of greediness, people started abusing the natural resources even more. An example of this is illegal logging. There are a lot of illegal loggers in the Philippines due to the lack of law enforcement, which allows it to these illegal actions to continue. Law enforcement officers also take bribes from companies or a group of people just for them to be able to continue with their illegal operations, which is hurting the environment. Other acts are which causes the depletion of our environment is overfishing and dynamite fishing. Overfishing lessens the marine life since even the small fishes are captured and sold. For dynamite fishing, the coral reefs are destroyed and the water is polluted due to the chemicals from the dynamite. Other issues that must be dealt with are the proper waste disposal. We have produced a lot of trash, but we just dispose them the wrong way by just throwing it in the bodies of water since it is convenient for us. We have to be more aware and do something in order for the next generation